If you're looking for anything easy to make at home, also the ingredients are accessible, look no further. Today, I'm going to make 4 delicious drinks using Tang powder as base. Tang is orange flavored powder, which I find is probably the best one of them powdered drinks. So we're going to make 4 flavored orange juice drinks here using Tang, coffee, chocolate, matcha, and English breakfast tea. If you don't have this brand, you can also use any brand. We are going to make 4 different flavors. We're going to make chocolate flavored Tang orange. You can use any chocolate powder. You can also use chocolate malt like Milo, Ovaltine, Cadbury, or whatever is available to you. I'm going to make use of instant coffee for one of the flavors. Any brand will do. I'm also going to use tea. This is English breakfast tea. I'm sure all of you know this brand, Lipton. And then we are going to make another flavor, which is matcha. So it will be quite colorful today, and we are going to try each of these drinks and find out how they taste like. These drinks will not have any sugar added to them because Tang is already with sugars. Okay, let's start by mixing our Tang orange juice. Now, according to the packaging, you're supposed to use 1 liter of water for about 8 tablespoons of this, but I find that it is not strong enough, so I'm going to use my own recipe here. So I'm going to use 1 liter of water, and then I'm going to use 1 cup of my Tang orange powder. So I'm going to mix them together. This will be quite concentrated. Wow, look at that, all powdered. Okay, stir to combine. Now, you know, even though the water is cold, it is fully dissolved. Okay. Wow, smells good. It brings back childhood memories when I used to like Tang orange juice, but I still do actually. I can still drink this, especially with powdered drink. You can keep them for a longer period of time. Okay. Now that I have my Tang orange juice here, let's prepare our drinks. For the recipe today, I am going to use only 12 ounces here. So we don't need to measure the orange juice, but if you'd like to use this for your coffee shops or your milk tea shops, then I would suggest that you measure them for 12 ounces cup, 16 ounces, and 22 ounces. For the exact measurements, I'm going to put them in the description box below, so not to worry. Okay, let's start with the first drink, which is matcha flavored Tang orange juice. For the matcha, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of pure matcha, add 45 milliliters of water, and whisk to combine. Okay. As you can see, I am using 1 cup. Okay. Fill the cup with orange juice. So technically, you leave some space for your topping. And I have my first drink, which is matcha flavored Tang orange juice. Let's make our second drink. For the second drink, what I'm going to use is instant coffee. For the instant coffee, I need 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. And to this, I'm going to add 45 milliliters of hot water. Make sure the coffee is fully dissolved. And now we are going to assemble our drink. Again, 1 cup of ice. Fill it with Tang orange juice and leave some space on top. Pour the coffee over. So again, I'm going to use the back of the spoon so that it stays on top. And we have my coffee flavored Tang orange juice. Now let's make our chocolate flavored Tang orange juice. For this one, I am going to use 1 tablespoon of chocolate powder. Any brand of chocolate powder will do, even Milo or Ovaltine will be perfect for this. Add 45 milliliters of hot water, stir to dissolve, and you've got your chocolate topping. Okay, let's assemble our drink. 1 cup of ice into the glass. Okay, and then again fill it with Tang orange juice. Finish it off with chocolate mix on top. And we have our chocolate flavored Tang orange juice. Finally, it is tea flavored Tang orange juice. 1 bag of Lipton into about 45 milliliters or 60 ml of hot water. Steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now I have my brewed tea here. Orange juice at the bottom. Okay. And then the tea on top. And look at that lovely color. So here we go. Tea flavored Tang orange juice. We've got coffee flavored Tang orange juice. We've got chocolate flavored Tang orange juice and matcha flavored Tang orange juice. Wow, they look absolutely gorgeous, delightful. Well, if you're going to make this at home, especially for the new year, then these are perfect. You can serve these drinks and they look very, very colorful, perfect for parties. And also if you'd like to serve this in your shops, well, look no further. Very easy to find ingredients just using Tang. Matcha flavored Tang orange juice. The matcha has dominated the color of the whole drink, but you can absolutely taste the Tang in it. Okay, and now chocolate flavored Tang orange juice. That is absolutely delightful. It's like having one of those orange flavored chocolate bars. Delicious. Now, I think that this color is probably the best one. This is, I would call this English Tang orange juice or English tea Tang orange juice. And it's only Lipton, guys. Let's try. I know that you can find a lot of fruit tea bags out there, but I don't think it beats this one. I personally do not like using those tea bags, fruit tea bags. What I like is to actually make my own blend. That means I use black tea and then I mix it with some fresh orange juice, or in this case just Tang, and it is amazing. Okay, and now finally it is my coffee flavored Tang orange juice, and it is also just instant coffee. Okay, easy enough for you to make at home. Wow, something different. It's something like I've never tried before, I've never tasted before, but it is pleasantly delightful. Well, there you go, 4 delicious drinks using Tang orange powder drink. Wow. A good source of vitamin C? Why not? I cannot fault any one of these. I think that what is left to do is for you to give them a try and let me know how they taste like. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these video tutorials. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.